Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant graphics driver crashed problem. If you want to fix this problem, first make sure there's no updates for your GPU. Right click on NVIDIA settings and then click NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and if you don't have it, just go to your browser and install it. And now once you're here, click drivers, and here you will see if there is any available updates for your GPU, and if you find it, just click download, and then let's move to the next step. And after updating your GPU, click here and type run. Now type here %local updata %, click OK. Scroll down until you find here Valorant, saved config. Now delete crash report client, delete this folder and go back. Right click on web cache, delete it, and now your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.